Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to make iPhone speak whole words while typing. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on all the iPhones. So what you want to do is to go to the settings, then you want to go to the accessibility, then you want to go to the spoken content, and then you want to go to the typing feedback. Once you're here, you want to select the speak words option to on, as you can see. So just click on the button, make sure it's green, and once you have selected it, now you're going to, for example, type apple, and after pressing the space, the word you have just typed is going to be spoken. So, for example, car. Let's type Ferrari. As you can hear, everything is going to be spoken. Also, if you type something that is not even a word, it is also going to be spoken, weirdly, but the iPhone is going to try to speak it anyway. So again, if you're going to type, for example, type a beautiful girl, it is also going to be spoken. So this is how you can make this feature on, and to turn this feature off, the same steps. So open the settings, then go to the accessibility, then spoken content, then typing feedback, and then make sure the speak words is just turned off. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!